When you're working with ChatGPT or other AI tools, you often find that you need to copy some of the inputs and output XML or JSON messages. One of the challenges with this is that it uses a lot of tokens and it is a challenging process. In the new release 23.11, we have added a couple of functions to help you out. So if you have a payload here, we can copyright the minimized payload. This will just minimize the payload, allowing you to save some space. You can also, and I think this is really useful, you can take an anonymized payload that allow you to just take the simple format of it, not all the other stuff around it, and this also saves you a lot of time and allow you to keep the confidential data internally and only give the ChatGPTs the structure of the message, which is not that important. I hope you like it and want to try it out. Thank you.